Hello everyone, my name is Kate Wu. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint these lovely chicks in a farm setting using just ink and simple color. To start, get some ink and dab 4 dots. Tilt your brush a little bit to get this oval shape. Also line up the 4 dots in an oval shape. This painting is great for beginners because you can see and experience how the ink travels on the rice paper. Now I'm adding some beaks. I'll use orange color, so make sure that you always wash your brush when you get some new inks or a different color. The belly is probably the most difficult stroke of these chicks because you need to paint a thin light curve because you cannot erase it and paint over another layer on top of it to try to cover it. Then get some dark ink to add some feathers on the wings. I'm mass producing these chicks so that you can see my repeated strokes on the chicks. The feet are in orange color again, so wash your brush and dip some new color and paint. Chinese painting is the extension of Chinese calligraphy. So you can paint the entire painting with just different shades of ink. But adding some color definitely makes it more interesting and more mass appeal. I am painting a couple more on the other side. And then I'm going to add some fence around it. Freestyle painting is about exploration of likeness and unlikeness. This is not an architectural drawing, so it doesn't have to be all aligned and symmetrical. You just go with your heart and paint. Always leave some white space. It is the chi of the painting, a space for imagination. To make it more colorful, I'm adding some daisy-like flowers. Again, there is no rules and it doesn't have to be realistic. Use any color and paint whichever kind of flowers that you like. There is a Chinese saying that be bold to paint, be mindful to work on the details. Meaning, don't be hesitating when you start your stroke, but you need to be careful when you pick up all the details, like adding flowers in this case. Now I'm adding some leaves. It's a mix of yellow with blue, and I like to add a bit of red at the tip. I leave the eyes to the end because the head strokes contained a lot of water to create a fluffy look. You can see the watermark when it is still wet. If you dot the eyes too soon, they will merge into the heads, forming blurry gray eyes. I hope you enjoyed these videos. I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out the next videos. I'll be posting every week. See you next time.